Yeah, yeah.
Oh boy, you went dumb on this one.
Why you posting rides like you own one? Why you posting rides like you, yeah? Why you posting rides like you own one? Nice nap, ugly doing math cause I'm on one. Drive fast, hoping I don't crash cause I'm on one. Won't smash, this about to flash, I don't need it. Why the fuck you think we always be competing? Smoking weed and I be out on Venus. Told her get down on her knees, suck my penis. Yeah, what I mean is I could not let you come play with my heart, and I kept it real from the start. 2 P's in me, hope it don't stop my heart. Too clean in the club, I'm so glad it's dark. 2 P's on me, if you play, they go spoon. Yeah, no, I don't need it. Niggas wanna play, I told them get up out my way. If you play, you know you catch a pistol to the face. Too grown for fighting, I might catch a case. I don't need it. Why the nigga always posting rides like he on one? Nice staff, ugly doing